Hi there, I'm Jaden and this Realme Buds Q2 is the consolation prize I won from Ringgit Plus. The Realme Buds Q2 is a good pair of wireless earbuds considering the sound quality and low latency that you can get at a 70 Ringgit Plus price tag. I will share more details about this later on. Inside the box, you will get a short yellow micro USB charging cable and two other pairs of different earbud sizes. There's also a quick user guide that is helpful to let you get started. The charging case is small and kind of slippery, so I find myself having difficulty opening the case on the first try. Opening it vertically like a book is much easier. The sound quality exceeds my expectation for this price range. It is loud and clear that most of the time, I only need to keep my volume at 35 to 40%. For bass lover, you will fall in love with this pair of earbuds. I feel the dynamic sound effect is good to boost your music, but personally, I prefer the bright sound effect because it already gives a decent bass experience, at least to me. Moving on to the sound latency. The normal mode will have more delay in the sound like typical wireless earbuds. However, when you change to gaming mode, it switches to 88 milliseconds, which is a very minimum latency that is pretty good as I don't experience the lag when watching videos or playing games. Here's an example of the normal and gaming mode latency differences. The battery drains 10% in the first 1 hour and it takes about 6 hours for the earbuds to run out of battery with continuous music listening at 35 to 40% volume. Realme claims the earphone's charging time is 1 hour 40 minutes for the earbuds and 2 hours 30 minutes for the charging case. There is no light indicator to show that the earbuds are charging. The light indicator on the charging case only lights up when it's being charged, not the earbuds, which I hope there is one light dedicated for the earbuds charging status. I've only used it once and was able to fully charge both buds to 100% with the charging case. I assume this case is able to charge 4 to 5 times considering the claimed 20 hours of battery playback. In terms of noise cancellation, it is decent, which is able to block out birds chirping and vehicles passing by at a distance. If you are an iOS user, the Realme Buds Q2 is unfortunately not supported on the Realme Link at the moment, so you can't access to change the settings of the earbuds. With so many good features packed in the Realme Buds Q2 at 70 Ringgit Plus, I will definitely recommend this if you are looking for wireless earbuds below 100 Ringgit. I hope you find this review helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.